Is it time?
It is time.
All right. Today, we're doing a flip kit on the Silverado. These are our parts here. I have Max Track flip kit. I got their shackles. Or no, I have Beltec shackles, and these are their hangers. And then we have Beltec struts. Open them all up. Some fresh parts.
You have to erect your shock. Slip that off. Yes.
Okay.
Nice.
This is all the flip kit. Look at that. Max Track, man. I'm impressed.
It's a nice shade of gray.
For a cheaper kit? What's here? Oh, bump stops. Some little mini bump stops.
Little baby guys.
And shackle hangers.
Those are the fun guys to install.
Yep.
They come with bolts? Oh, thank God.
No trips to hardware.
Yeah. You said it was the cheap kid, so I don't know if they didn't shell out bolts.
This Max Track, $175.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good.
For both boxes?
Yeah.
Not bad.
For an inch?
Okay, then
They can go up to 7 inches of drop.
Really? Damn.
All right.
All right.
So we got just under 36 inches. Callum, you want to give us the fractions? You want to give us the fractions there? What are we at?
Calculations. Callum's really good with fractions.
Look at that. Dead on at, watch the paint, jeez. Third line under 3 feet.
Alright, you heard it here first. Third line under 3 feet. The third little line.
How many hang loose signs is that?
Okay.
So Arlen already has a 2-inch drop in the front, so it's already pretty low in the back.
This
but
is, and then 3 inches in the rear already.
and it's already 3 inches in the back, so it's,
So we're just dropping another inch, just the rear another inch with the flip kit. A lot of work for another inch, but
that's it? No, we go all the way.
we could do 5.
We should have like a reverse rake look to this, like a drift car.
We could do
Lower in
5
the back,
inches.
higher in the front.
We could squat it.
Yeah, let's do
A
it.
leveling kit for the front.
Let's do it. Let's drag the hitch on the ground. Okay, we'll get the truck in there and we'll start
Lift it
working.
up. And that's with hub centric.
No way. Dude, those are usually tight on there. That's why I pulled the camera out.
Snug as a bug in the
Look at that thing, the shaky bastard.
What?
The spacer.
That's actually just part of the rotor.
This is CGI. So we're putting the tires in the back just in case so the truck doesn't tip on its front.
Yes.
And
Safety first.
safety. Let's see that.
Oh man.
Here goes back.
Two guys.
Why don't you lift your truck? Yeah, why don't we put the truck down? Yeah, this way you don't have a lifted truck.
Yeah, imagine that.
Imagine loading the sled up like this.
Alright, that's good. Oh, you need to close the tailgate.
Well,
Alright. So, because now the axle is going to be sitting, we're doing a flip kit, it's going to be sitting above the leaf spring here. It's going to be really close, so what we have to do is cut off this bump stop mount, and we're going to mount the new bump stop here. So, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting bump stop. Alan's watching, I can't cut the leaf spring without.
where's the half-inch gun? Oh, right there, behind you, Michelle.
Oh. That is some big shit. There she is. Garbage. Now, got all this room for play. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
All right, what's going on down here? We're taking the trailer hitch off. We did it before.
Trailer hitch deleted.
I already got these 3-inch Beltec shackles, so I'm gonna reuse these to get my 4 inches of drop. This has to come off. So these rivets in here, we're gonna have to bust these rivets out. So to get to it,
these rivets.
we're just taking the trailer hitch out, and yeah, to get these shackles off. Oh, shackle hangers.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Me and Callum have the supervisor job this time.
You got it.
I always have the supervisor job. Well, no, not really, actually. You guys
I'm
just like the chit chat under there.
mostly the supervisor, actually.
What? Chit chat under here?
Yeah, you guys are just flapping your gums.
Just flapping them.
Now we're gonna have to jack the bed up on your side.
So we got a jack on the bed here.
We just did it to one side last time, though.
I know, we didn't jack it up high enough. And I think it's too tall.
All right, Jack. What's the verdict?
The verdict is we're trying to get these bolts out way up in here, and they're a little bit tight.
You're doing like an ab cruncher workout, it's like Bowflex. Yeah, this is the whole Bowflex right here.
P90X.
I love both flex. Tap, tap.
What am I hitting?
Oh, my hitting kitten.
My looks so creepy on this.
I'm sitting up.
All right, so got the shackles all unbolted. That.
And
Now, what's next?
start playing with the axle. We got to get the axle on top of these leaves.
So we're trying to figure out a plan of attack.
Yeah.
And we should take out the hangers first so we can bring the leaves down.
Yeah, and drop them right down.
Drop them further down.
Yeah.
Okay, let's torch them out.
Okay. So see, show these hangers here. See these hangers? So they're riveted in. You can see that. You see these rivets here? And there's what, 2 on the backside?
Oh yeah.
So those rivets need to come out, and these are replaced with our new hangers, and they're just going to be bolted to the frame. So we got to.
Those babies right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to torch them out. I think that's the plan of attack. And then we can flip the axle. All right. Watch the paint. Hey, you're getting too close.
Maybe I'm rolling the fenders. We're getting the fender roller.
Yeah.
Arlen's stressing out.
Be careful. There's
He's too close. Hey, there's a computer on the other side of the frame rail, eh?
What? You think I care?
No hair, don't care.
Oh. Ball jokes now, huh? That's what you stupid do. Why? What's wrong?
You're on fire, Ricky Bobby.
Get water.
We only have iced tea.
Get iced tea.
We only got teas.
Oh.
There goes your electrical.
Sounds like World War I in here.
That's your electrical.
Do you actually need water?
Yeah, spray bottle.
Shut up.
We got brake clean.
We don't have water.
Expensive reason not last.
I'm gonna get
We're
water.
on fire, Ricky Bobby.
Let's go.
Alright, well, wait.
It's wet.
This is a good bottle.
Oh, who did this?
It was good to spray. I mean, the thing.
Bunch of funny guys, eh?
That was Jack.
Oxygen, quick, let's go.
I told him.
Joe,
not
your
to do
thing
that.
is so sensitive.
Hey!
Don't worry. Freak me out.
I love it how he puts his hand there to sacrifice his own life.
Back to torching.
I need a dual wheel. You getting the clip, buddy?
Get in the clip.
Ow!
Oh.
I was too close. That's the meat and potatoes right there. Oh man, some nice color to them. I'm making you some burnt tip charcoal hangers. Burnt tip frame rails?
PPE on.
You don't need in the armpit, that's the word.
Look at that.
A little charred there, right on the nipple. That was close call. Yo, sub to my OnlyFans.
Okay, so
All
what I
right.
was saying, so just a flip kit on its own. You put the axle on top of the leaves, 7 inches. We install this raised shackle hanger with the flip kit is 6 inches in this position, the lower bolt position. In the higher bolt position, that'll give us 5 inches of drop. Now what I'm doing, I'm using these drop shackles with this. That's gonna net me 4 inches of drop. So I can still tow my trailer. Because I don't have helper bags yet. And then we'll drop it down to 5 inches.
Nice.
But those are expensive. Watch the boogie board.
Cool while I'm heating. Here she goes, brother. She's melting. Oh yeah, just like hot chocolate. Wow. Oh shit. Oh my god, the water coming off that is actually so hot.
Fill up a bucket, make a hot tub. Old hangers are out. We just took the U-bolts off here, and the axle's basically ready to drop out. We're gonna hold these up. We're gonna keep these leaf springs up as we drop the axle a bit, just to keep tension off these brake lines here. And we're gonna try and basically drop it down just enough for this caliper to clear. Drop it that way, pull it up through here, and then up and through that side. That's the plan, at least. We'll see how it goes.
So Arlen bought the cheap kit. And this doesn't fit the locator pin, which now it does. There we go. Grab the old one. Show them how chotch this thing is.
Where's the old one?
The new one. The new one. I mean, another new one. Look how chotch this is. She don't want to sit. She doesn't want to sit put. So we had to hit it with the CC Customs. And she still, you know what? She still needs some work. Still needs some work.
Hey, wait, this is
Oh. Maybe we'll unplug them. Let go, Arlen.
Leads are
Let go.
under.
Let go? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, my legs are fucked. Oh.
I'm kind of trapped.
I can barely walk. Oh my god, I can't feel my feet.
working on a new truck, eh? Better than a 40.
Jesus.
If I ate a sandwich with these hands,
Tastes so good.
Superman.
All right, bump stop installed.
okay,
New little boy one. Holy.
the hangers are in.
What's a man one? Huh?
I don't know, man.
Size doesn't always
It's a wee
matter.
lad.
What'd you say?
Size doesn't always matter, man. I'm quoting you. You said that. You told me that.
Yeah.
Off camera.
He told me something way different.
Who did?
Callum. Behind the garage.
Don't you just love drilling metal?
Modification, make it just ream her out a little.
Reamer, I haven't even made the hole yet. If
Yeah.
under a project doesn't look like this, you're not doing it right. Right, Arlen? As he looks for a missing bolt.
Right here, Arlen.
Right.
The one on the other side, so match it up.
Are you sure those didn't come off the These are short. These are longer.
Yeah.
Okay. So our stock shackle would be here, say, about this distance, which would
See.
be a 5-inch normal 5-inch draw.
See.
Now I'm gonna use this hole to give me only 4 inches.
Yeah.
If I use this hole, it'd probably only be 3 inches then, right?
So you'd be back to where you were.
Yeah.
So then let's put it in that hole.
This one.
That
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
You guys are killing it. Shocks in.
Okay, axles flipped, bump stops installed, new shackle hangers.
Set at what? 4 inches.
Set at 5 inches
5
with our
inch.
drop shackle flipped upside down on the 1-inch setting to give us 4 inches of draw.
There you go. Look at that baby. Only thing shiny in this truck's covered in freaking undercoating.
Look at that gleaming.
Tighten up the drive shaft.
loud. That is loud, sir.
I need one
Bolt?
Yeah.
Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt? Bolt!
Finishing everything up.
Stop, second.
It's right there.
That's a small bolt. No, don't touch my bolt.
Torquing down the U-bolts.
Good fun.
Fresh new plate on there. She's slipped.
That. Show the hangers.
Hanger all set up. There you go.
Aggressive. Meow.
Still put dead bodies in the back.
34 and a quarter.
Yeah.
34 and a quarter.
So we're like an inch and a half, if not a little more.
Yeah, the truck was raked before, forward raked, and now it's pretty well level.
Yeah.
Measure the fender in the front.
It's like 34 and a half.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're squatted truck now. Well, the front actually needs to bounce around, but
Yeah.
I swear your front is lower than that normally.
So you're gonna go move the whole now?
Yeah, I think my front does sit lower than this one. This is whack. Alright. Well,
Well, 5 hours of work to lower it 1 inch. Well, inch and a 3/4.
everyone needs an extra inch. Yeah, I'm part of that Carolina squat life now.
Yeah. Like, if you don't look, you can't see it, but it's squatted in the back 1/4 inch. So Arlen's gonna go get some stickers made up Carolina squat. Join
Cali
that club.
leaning.
We gotta find some Facebook groups for you to join.
And painted Tiffany blue.
Yeah, we'll paint it Tiffany blue, and then we're gonna straight pipe it. Fender exit out the front.
With the headers.
Here in Canada, though, we don't have a big culture for that. So I guess we'll start up our own meets, though. Squatted truck meets.
Yeah, it's just Arlen.
Okay. Yeah, just I don't think anyone else.
It's just you that pulls up in the parking lot.
Arlen in a Canadian Tire parking lot.
All right, meet up at the Dollar Tree parking lot.
Just it.
Alright.
Wrap the video, cuz.
Looks sick.
This is stage 2 of lowering a Silverado.
Yeah.
Michael's truck was stage 1. Right, Mikey?
I'm content.
Content. Arlen wanted a little bit more. Stage 2, and we can get some clips of our other buddy's truck. We would call that a level 3 drop.
Yeah.
So this is a 2-4 drop. Michael's is a 1-3, and our buddy's truck is a 3-5.
Yeah.
So we'll just get clips of that another day. We'll throw in the middle of a video, but yeah. That about wraps it.
That wraps this one up.
All right.